Paste the link that I provided to you. Wait for the whole page to load. You'll know when it finishes, their icon will appear. Click anywhere first to trigger the ads to pop out. Then we close this and go back to our main page. Now we tap the link provided in the page. This is what should appear when we click the link. Now we wait for the countdown. Click the Continue to Article, not the blue button below. Scroll down until you find the Verify button. Wait for the verification. After the verification, scroll down again till you find the Continue button. While waiting for the countdown, let's close this ad on the side. Just close every page that pops out till the ad is removed. Make sure to click the button that will appear below, not the small button above. Close this page that will pop out. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to access my links. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Then hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos.